just waste my time. I don't pay no mind, no. You don't give me time. You just waste my.
What's up, all my Rosebuds? It's Nani, and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, it's going to be a slick back bun tutorial. If you have not already seen my easy bun tutorial with weave, go ahead and check that out. I'm going to link the video to the description. I'm going to be using basically all the same products that I used previously to do my buns. This is sort of like dirty hair. I just took out my bun hair. If you are new, welcome to the Bud Club, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe as well as press the button so you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to go ahead and get right in the video. Now I'm just going to spray my hair. This is water mixed with some oil, some black seed oil, and I just spray my hair a little bit so it can be easy to maintain. Go on my brush and go ahead and start brushing my hair back and slicking it back. Now I'm going to go in with my scrunchie. I'm going to put it on, but not too tight. Now I'm going to go in with my extreme professional styling gel and just sleek my hair a little more. And this is my everyday hairstyle, so like, it's so easy, it's not hard, and you can do this hairstyle with or without weave. And just brush it in with the gel. And now I'm going to take my little ponytail that I already put in and take that out and redo it, but just tighter. And you can do a part with this look, but right now I'm not feeling a part. I'm just feeling baby hairs today. So, and just make it super duper tight. Now, if you have shorter hair, you can put your hair in just like a small bun. You just put it into a small bun, but I have sort of like a weird length hair, so I'm going to go ahead and braid it. And once you have your braid, you're going to loop it. And then get another scrunchie and tie the edge down. You could either leave your hair like this or put weave on it. My bun is sort of like a weird state. Sometimes I put weave around it, but sometimes I don't. But just for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to put the weave around it. These are some old curly bundles I have, and I'm just going to start wrapping it around. So I'm going to grab a little piece of hair and then put it down and start wrapping it under. And then take the other side of the hair and start wrapping it this way. Once you finish wrapping the weave around it, you can put longer weave, you can put shorter weave, but me personally, I'll put shorter weave. And then I basically just sort of like untangle it with my fingers so I can grip everything. So you're going to want to grab it just like a ponytail, and you're going to want to act like you're putting a scrunchie on in a ponytail. Then when you get up, twist it. I twist the ends. And then loop it around. And then boom. You got a bun. Now last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the edge control and the edge brush and lay my baby hairs. So you guys, that'll be it for this video. I'm all done. As you can tell, that was quick, simple, and easy. This is like my daily go-to hairstyle. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up and like it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss out on any new videos. Alright you guys, I love you, all my rosebuds. I'll see you soon.
You don't give me time, you just waste my time.